the mysterious dark matter. One of the most puzzling aspects of the Milky Way is the presence of dark matter, a mysterious substance that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to our current instruments. Despite being unseen, dark matter is believed to make up about 85% of the total mass of the Milky Way. Its existence is inferred from its gravitational effects, particularly on the galaxy's rotation. Without dark matter, the stars in the outer regions of the Milky Way would not move as quickly as they do. Scientists believe that dark matter forms a halo around the Milky Way, extending well beyond the visible parts of the galaxy. This dark matter halo plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of the galaxy, helping to hold it together. Understanding dark matter is one of the greatest challenges in modern astrophysics, and the Milky Way provides a valuable laboratory for studying this enigmatic substance. As we learn more about dark matter, we continue to uncover the deeper mysteries of our galaxy and the universe itself.